Good morning, Ma'am, sir.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Maribik Masangkay, 38 years old. I'm a married woman. I have 3 kids. Presently residing at XL2 Cebu Street, Sampaloc, Manila.
Describe your family. What is the name of your father and mother, including their age?
My father's name is Esmeraldo Garay, 73 years old. This is my mother's name, Aurea Beray, 65 years old. She's a plain housewife.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 3 brothers, 45, 43, and 37. And I have 2 sisters, 47 and 41. And I'm the fifth of the family.
Do you have an experience in working abroad?
None, Ma'am.
What is your previous work?
I'm a barista now.
Do you have a part-time job?
Cooking in my sister,
Restaurant?
Yes, restaurant.
Do you have an experience in taking care of newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am. Because I have 3 children.
Okay. What is the procedure in bathing baby?
First thing to do, check the temperature of the baby. After that, prepare all needs like towel, soap. Make sure the water is warm by using my elbow.
Okay, very good. Do you have an experience in taking care of children?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if he or she is having tantrums?
Always play with him or her, give him comfort, and need to be him or her with avoid accident.
Okay, very good. Do you have an experience in taking care of old people?
None, ma'am.
How about bedridden?
None, ma'am.
But are you willing to care of an old people or
Yes,
bedridden?
ma'am.
Okay, very good. What is your preferences in working at home?
General housekeeping, carrying the baby, ironing, cooking, and washing.
Okay, very good. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to finish my children to their studies and support my family financially.
Very good. Do you have relatives in Hong Kong?
None, ma'am.
How about friends?
None, ma'am.
Are you willing to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Can you sing an English song for us?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we begin.
I have 2 hands, the left and the right. All them are high, softly and bright. Clean fruit, funky, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see.
What is your message to your employer?
If you select me, I will do my best to learn things and do my duties and responsibilities in my employer. Thank you.